Hello everyone! Last time we have teach you how to install the various tools on your CNC machine. So today we will teach you how to optimize your cutting designs. Okay, let's start it.
First, let's open the software. Double-click. Then go to File and select Open. We can work with DXF, PLT, and AI vector formats. Now, let's set the operation number for cutting patterns. What is operation number? It's a unique code for each cutting tool. To find these codes, click File, Machine Param, and then Get from Machine. For example, SP4 could be codes for cutting tools. How to set operation number? First, select the shape you want to work with. You can also place the cursor on the graphics, click the left mouse button, and select the graphics one by one. Or use the Select feature to choose based on length, shape, or direction. If you need to deselect, just click right mouse. Now, let's say we are cutting for patterns. So, we need cutting tool. We'll set our shapes to SP4 by clicking the 4 button. See the color change? That means success. Next, we optimize the cutting sequence. Our principle: cut inside shapes first, then move to larger ones. Click View, Show Sequence to see the cutting order for each pattern. Then, we click on the outer counter, click Sorting. Click Last to set it as the last cut. Then, we set the processing order of all graphics in turn. After setting the cutting order, we click the Close to Axis button to make it close to the starting point. Click Send to send it to the machine. Receive complete. It's displayed on the machine. Move the cutting head to the start point where you want to cut. Then click Set 0. Click Frame and check the cutting range by observing the position of the red cross light. Click Repeat to turn on the cutting mode.
This is the cutting effect. It's perfect. Okay, we have already learned how to optimize the cutting patterns. But what if our patterns requires both cutting and grooving? Let's see how to optimize these tasks.
First, let's open our design. We need to check the operation codes for cutting and V-cut tools, typically SP4 and SP3. For grooving, select the desired shape and click the green 3 button. For cutting, click 4. Click Configure to open the Settings dialog. Here, check Delay Line Mid Point, Close to Axis, and Inner Sorting. Set the internal cutting sequence to left plus near and the overall sequence to SP order. Click OK to exit settings. Next, hit Optimize. Then click Send. Set the cutting starting point, view the cutting range, and start cutting.
Okay, you can see the cutting and the grooving results are both perfect. Okay, we have learned how to optimize the different machining tools. If we need to cut straight line grooving and curved grooving at the same time, so how to do it? Let's show you.
Open your file and check the operation numbers again. SP5 is for grooving and SP8 for cutting. On the operation panel, match the grooving depth of SP5 with SP3. Match the cutting depth of SP8 with SP4. In Configure under V-Cut, change the composition data from -0.8 to 0, but remember this number, -0.8. We'll need it later. To set grooving shapes to SP5, select them by operation number, then click Edit and copy here. Then we select all the SP6 lines again, and then click Edit and Reverse to change their processing direction. Then change their operation number to SP5. Click View, then Show Start to see the processing direction. Now we have two grooving lines at the same location but with different directions. Remember our offset composition setting of -0.8? To offset, select all SP5 lines. Click Edit, then Adjust Arrow, and choose Offset Left. In the dialog box, enter 0.8 for offset dist. You will see the grooving lines shift. Now, select the shapes needing cutting and set their operation numbers to SP8. Our operation number setting is complete. Finally, let's set the processing order. We'll start with the straight groove, then the curved groove, and finish with the counter cutting. How to set? We select all the straight groove lines, then click Edit and click Uni to combine them into blocks. In the same way, we combine the curved grooves into blocks. After completion, we edit the processing sequence according to our design. Click Close to Access, then click Send.
Okay, let's check the result. Both grooving and cutting perfect. Have you learned how to optimize your graphics for cutting? Remember the key steps: operation numbers, processing sequence, and the direction. Please watch the video carefully and following our engineer's instructions to master the skills quickly. If you have any further questions, just leave a comment below this video. We will get back to you shortly. Don't forget to follow our YouTube channel for the latest machine updates. Thank you and goodbye.